Hello students, today's our topic is acid, base and salt. So what is the acid? So different acids present in our natural substances or daily life substances. Example, tomato, tamarind, lemon. So tomato contain oxalic acid, tamarind contain tartaric acid. So this substance contain acid. And most of the acid used in laboratory, that is hydrochloric acid is used in laboratory, sulfuric acid used in laboratory, nitric acid also used in laboratory. So what is the formula of hydrochloric acid? So HCl is the formula of hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric acid contain H plus ion. Okay. Second example of laboratory acid is HNO3, and this is known as nitric acid, and nitric acid also contain H plus ion. So the properties of acid, that means property of acid is acid contains H plus ion. Okay, acid contains H plus ions. And the daily life example like lemon, tomato, all these substance contain acid, and these all substance are sour in taste. So the acid having a taste, that is sour taste. So acid present in the substance, this all substance are sour in taste. So sour taste is the properties of acid. So this is the properties of acid. So we see the next substance, that is base. So base contain OH minus group. Base contain OH minus group. As acid contain H plus group, then base contain OH minus group. So base contain OH minus group. So example of base is sodium hydroxide. Example of base is sodium hydroxide, and formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH. Next example of base is calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH2. So calcium hydroxide contain 2 OH minus ions, and sodium hydroxide contain 1 OH minus ion. So properties of base, that is property of base is base contain OH minus ion. So daily like example of base, like a baking soda is there. Okay, normal washing soda is there. This is the example of base of daily life use. Okay, daily life examples, that means washing soda, baking soda, which contain bases, or this substance contain base. So washing soda, baking soda, what is the formula of washing soda? That means the chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate, and chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. So next is salt. What is the salt? So example of salt is normal salt. That means normal example of salt is our table salt. That is NaCl, and the formula of NaCl, that means NaCl, which name as sodium chloride, and the sodium chloride which having Na plus ions and Cl minus ion. So salt which contain 2 ions, that means 1 ion, that is positively charged ion, and 1 ion inside is negatively charged ion. That means salt, if salt is broken down, then positively charged ion is formed and negatively charged ion is formed. So example of salt, that is sodium chloride, is the one of the example of salt. How to salt is formed? When acid is mixed in bases, then formation of salt and water will be takes place. So we take a common example, that is hydrochloric acid, which mixes with, or hydrochloric acid add in sodium hydroxide, then formation of NaCl, that means sodium chloride, and water will be takes place. So this is the example of acid, bases and salt, and this is the difference between what is the acid contain H plus ion, base contain OH minus ions, and salt contain 1 positive ion and 1 negative ion. So example of acid is normal hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. Example of base is sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and example of salt is sodium chloride. This all about the acid, base and salt. Thank you.